Hi, this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I am in Crane Shores. We are in the bedroom that is just located off of the kitchen. It's one that has a fireplace in it. Quick little tutorial on utilizing the remote and the television. So this is a CableOne system. Right here in the bottom left, if you need to, you can go through and cycle through. It is HDMI 1 that this television needs to be set to have the actual cable go on. You want to make sure that you have a green light. Now you can hit the power button, and then traditionally as it is, volume is on the left hand side, channel changing is on the right, and so you can just cycle through just as you normally would, going back and forth. Now if you have any further questions, this television is fairly straightforward, not a lot of options, so you shouldn't be able to have any real issues. But if you do, you can call the landline. The phone number is 208-634-0030. Have a great time.